Welcome back in, everybody. This is going to be a fun and easy tutorial on how to make a quick bookmark, whether it's for you if you're an avid reader, or it could be a gift for somebody. I don't know about you, but I've been seeing a lot of people on social media talking about how many books they read last year and what their goal is for reading books this year, which I found fascinating because I didn't know people did that. And anyway, this would be a great gift to make for your book club buddies. I don't know, that's just a thought. This one is actually for our grandson. He saw another one I did. If you've been around, you may think this looks familiar because I did one almost exactly like this, and I actually gave it to our granddaughter, and he was like, "Hey, I really like that." So I painted this one for him today, and I put a Bible verse on the back, and you can do whatever you'd like. You don't have to write anything. You could put some little birds up here. You could do a Bible verse on this side, or just a nice message for whomever. Okay, let's hop right in and I will guide you through this quick tutorial. We will start off by wetting the bookmark, and this will just allow our colors to blend really smoothly, really easily. I'm starting off with a cadmium yellow and then going to add Indian yellow to that, just letting them blend and helping them blend. And you can use whatever colors you want. Maybe you want a pink and purple sunrise, and that would be beautiful too. And maybe you're not a morning person and you want it to be a sunset. Hey, you do that. All right, just letting those blend. And just to let you know, my next video is going to be about how to protect your paintings, whether it's your bookmark, your greeting cards, or any painting you're going to do. And we're just going to use a simple process with wax, and it's just great. If you're like me, or if your book club friends are like me, you spill your coffee every now and then, and this will protect them. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you're not subscribed so you don't miss that. Okay, you can see on the edges there, you might be like, girl, why aren't you even trying? I just like organic edges, and that's okay. But the up there on the right-hand side, I didn't like how close that got there. So I cleaned my brush off, tapped it on my paper towel, and now it just acts as a sponge and just cleaning that spot up. But I do like the kind of jagged edges. You can totally tape off the edges if you want a crisp border, which I've done as well on my bookmarks. Added some more orange at the bottom, which I regretted later, but that's okay. You'll see me fix it. And coming in with just black paint for the trees, because this is a silhouette. And I'm zooming in so you can just see how simple this is. We're basically just keeping the triangular shape in mind and then just filling that in with a bunch of little dashed lines. Doing some off to the sides and then some straight down the middle. Super simple, you can't go wrong. And I know you've probably seen me do my zigzag trees. I do that normally when it's a smaller tree. I just zigzag back and forth really quickly, and it is so fun. I love practicing pine trees, so I suggest you do that. It really is fun and relaxing and just great to see what you come up with. I'm going to speed up these second two because they're just the same method, letting each of the trees overlap one another. You can see how simple. And then when you're finished with those, take a step back. Do you like all the sunshine peeking through the trees? If so, leave it. And if not, go ahead and fill it in like I'm doing here. You really, again, you just can't go wrong with this. It's just playing and, as I always say, having fun playing with it until you like it. So I like it when it's all filled in a little bit, but you can still see the sun poking through. And maybe not poking through, it's peeking through. All right, I ended up not liking that orange at the bottom because I'm like, that's not the sun, that's the ground. So I added brown to it, and I'll like it. And then, like I said, after that's dry, like I said, I'm going to add a Bible verse on the back for our grandson. And I chose one of my favorites, which is God is our refuge and strength, an ever-present help in trouble. That is Psalm 46:1. And then love Gma. I miss my grandkids. They live far away, but that's okay. All right, and there we have it. Fun and simple and quick, and I really hope you enjoy this. I also hope that you will join me on Saturday for my video in which I will show you how to easily protect your bookmark or your greeting cards or your watercolor paintings, whatever the case may be. All right, until then, take care.